This fire is now an inferno. An 8th alarm has been called. There are 100 firefighters and 20 trucks on the scene. Fighting a fire like this one is akin to a military operation.
As you can see, we had the whole block on fire. It's 2011 and the Fire and Rescue Service, a lot of emergency services are still very much white Anglo-Saxon males. We're going to change that. Aboriginal communities throughout Australia, unfortunately, are more likely to experience fires, injuries and deaths in fires. So it's really important that we have people from those communities working for us, telling us what the problems are and coming up with solutions that'll work.